Start with what you have from where you are. That is the principle of extension. When we look into extension, that principle helps a lot. That principle helps us as farmers to discover the available resources that we have in order to utilize them to get profit. So we have people who are in urban settings, we have people who are in homes, we have people who do not have money to rent gardens where they can practice agriculture. Despite the fact that World Health Organization recommends that at least each human being should consume 400 grams of vegetables daily to live a healthy life. Given that challenge of land, it is very difficult to raise vegetables to meet the target. However, if you're out there, one of the farmer or somebody who is in urban setting or somebody who has limited land to practice agriculture, worry no more. This is what is called backyard gardening. In backyard gardening, there are a number of practices that you can do in order to grow vegetables. This one is called sack mount gardening. When you look into the sack mount gardening, this is a gardening practice that can be set in a small piece of land that does not require large place where you can practice it. It requires just a small piece of land and you are good to go. You will have vegetables on daily basis. When you talk about sack mount garden, we have people who have compounds that are served on daily basis, just idle. Why don't you venture into sack mount gardening and grow for yourselves vegetables? When we see the importance of this gardening, one is that it improves on food security and nutritional level of people in our society. It boosts to the economic status of a person. When you practice this, you'll be in position to sell vegetables to generate income. When you look at this, you will be in a better state where you have healthy life, where you consume vegetables that you are the one who produce them, that does not contain chemicals, that are free from diseases and infections. By the way, most people tend to consume vegetables from the market, and most of them, they are toxin. Some people uses chemicals that are harmful. Before the withdrawal period, you find the products in the market, which is very dangerous. I dare encourage you to venture into sack mount gardening. In sack mount gardening, you can be in position to grow different kind of vegetables. You can grow tomatoes, sukuma, cabbages, okra, and so on. What you need to do is, you need to have soil. You gather soil, you can get garden soil, you can get manure, you can get sand soil, maybe perhaps clay. Then you mix them in a ratio of 3 wheelbarrows of garden soil. You can add 3 wheelbarrows of manure if the soil is not all that fertile. You can add 1 wheelbarrow of sand to improve on aeration, and 1 wheelbarrow of clay to improve on water retention. So when you get this soil, you mix all of them in one place. After mixing, you put them in sacks and you arrange them ready, waiting for planting materials. Here before you is also what is known as sack mount. Here you can prepare it and also grow vegetables on it. With the sack mount, it's very simple for you to prepare. You need to have all the sacks, the mixture of the soil, stones, gravels. When you get this, what you have, you will start filling by the base of the sack. After that, you get a hollow pipe, you insert it, you put rocks inside it, you fill around the pipe. After filling that, you raise the pipe a bit, you continue filling until the sack is full and you have a column of stones. The purpose of putting the stone is for easy watering. Before I forget, please, if the video impress you, don't forget to subscribe. So after putting this, you demarcate the sack. You can plant other vegetables on top and you plant around it. There you will have plenty vegetables to consume at home.
Hello
This
guys.
one is sukuma wiki. By the way, this sukuma wiki is just 2 weeks old after transplanting.
In today's video,
Sack mount gardening is really very important. You can see that it requires a very mega place.
Gardening.
You can practice it. It does not require a lot of knowledge to do it.
We have most people
utilize that compound that you have. If you have idle compound at home, please, I beg you, really establish a sack mount garden. It will even reduce your cost of buying vegetables from the market. You will be enjoying free vegetables at home. And that does not require a lot of money.
Generating activity.
You can practice this sack mount garden. Here I use all the cement bags.
In urban settings,
some people may be wondering,
lack space to practice agriculture.
Out there we have very many construction sites where you can obtain this.
We have some people who
all
have
the sacks
a lot of free empty
which were used for cement.
That are
you empty them after, when they're emptied, you collected them, you utilize them. Let us focus on the principle of extension that says start with what you have from where you are. We should not look for other expensive things or think of buying polythene seeds when we have available materials on us. So let us embark on sack mount gardening as one of the practices under farmyard gardening. You can also practice what's known as kitchen gardening, mandala gardening. In my next videos, I will also be in position to share for you the procedures A to Z, how to set up a sack mount garden, how to set up a mandala garden, how to set up a kitchen garden, so that you will learn and will fight food insecurity together. Let us live a healthy life by eating vegetables on daily basis. Thank you for watching. I will be glad if you continue supporting the channel and we continue learning from each other. Thank you.